Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 30 is also distance, rate, and time. It says water flows out of a drain pipe at a rate of 8 gallons per minute. If there has been 420 gallons drained, how long has the pipe drain been open? So this is kind of a variation on the distance equals rate times time. Distance equals rate times time. But in this case, the distance isn't something that's traveled. It's actually the amount of water that's been drained out from the drain pipe. So the distance in this case would be 420. The rate we're given at 8 gallons per minute. You can usually tell a rate in a word problem because of per. Gallons per minute tells us a rate, and we're going to solve for the time. How long has the pipe drain been open? How long is a question of time. So 420, 8 times t is 8t. I'll just divide both sides by 8 in order to get t by itself. 420 divided by 8 is 52.5, and 8 divided by 8 is 1, or as some people say, it cancels out, leaving me with the time. Since the rate was in gallons per minute, my time is going to be 52.5 minutes.